Appreciate y'all clicking on the Kanin Cuisine channel. Today we got a delicious dish. It is chocolate chicken wings. So marvelous, a well executed dish. You hear me? And I got the ingredients for you in the description box. You know, check this video out. You ain't gonna see me cooking, but I'm cooking it. I'm trying a voiceover method, so that's why you're not gonna see me cooking, but you're gonna see the process of making chocolate chicken wings. Please hit the subscribe button if you like this video and like it also. You hear me? All right, we got our brine ingredients right here. Got a kosher salt and 2 liters of water. You're gonna soak it 6 to 8 hours with ice. It must be cold in order for the brine to work, but it will definitely increase the moisture. This right here, you got buttermilk, coconut milk, and chicken shake. This is what you're gonna soak your chicken in overnight. The chicken shake has berberine, hot paprika, cumin, white pepper, celery salt, granulated garlic, and kosher salt. You're gonna soak this overnight. Now your dredge is gonna consist of all-purpose unbleached flour, semolina flour, and cornstarch. You're also gonna add a little white pepper to this too. It's gonna be a great, highly crispy dredge for your chicken. Stir it all up real good, and you'll have crunch like never before. Trust me. And dredge it all up like that right there, and put it in your oil, which should be 350 degrees. You're gonna cook it approximately 10 minutes, and that's all it's gonna take for your chicken wings to come out just like this. And now we're gonna make this sauce. It has a lot of ingredients. Got shallots, garlic, cumin, butter, honey, black beer, chicken stock, ancho chilies, oregano, black peppercorns, and the star of the dish is Mexican chocolate. Now, all of these ingredients are in the description box of this video. Just check it out. Everything will be in there. All the measurements, everything you need. This is the sauce. Everything in here minus the honey, butter, and chocolate. You want to simmer that for a while to let all the flavors marry, and throw it all in there and blend it up. You want to blend it until it's very, very smooth. It won't take that long, but you want to make sure you crush all those black peppercorns that you got in there. You want it to be smooth. And voila, the sauce. It's a delicious sauce. It's not sweet like you would think. I tossed these chicken wings right here previously in the chocolate. Now I'm going to add a little extra chocolate on top of it. And we're going to add the chicken shake. Now all these ingredients are necessary to achieve the proper flavor. You can't do one without the other. You got to put all this on here. The chicken shake, and then finish it off with a little bit of the chopped parsley. It's going to bring it all together. And your guests going to love it. I'm trying to tell you. Look at that jazz hand. Bam. You hear me? Ooh, fire. Lovely. Chocolate chicken. I'm telling you, everybody going to love it. They going to be scared, but they going to do it. You hear me? Deliciousness. I love that recipe right there. That's what you want. Chocolate chicken wings. You hear me? Man, the Lord blessed me with a talent for cooking. And man, it's made my household so much better. We ain't gotta go to no restaurant or nothing. We can just stay at home and eat deliciously. And what the Lord blessed me with, I'm trying to bless you with the same thing. You hear me? You tired of eating Captain D's and McDonald's and Wendy's and all the other stuff? You can eat good at the house all the time, every weekend, at least one time. You hear me? So, you know, please subscribe, like my videos, man. Get plenty of recipes. Just roll with me. You heard me?